If you want to see how I made 7,167 rupees as profit in just 2 months and achieved a 50% annualized profit on my investment using a simple but effective strategy, then stay tuned with this video. Welcome to Excel in Life. In this episode, I'll show today's profit booking and share my earnings over the last 2 months. For detailed information about the ETF SuperStore version to Google Sheet, be sure to check out our previous episodes by clicking the I button. Let's move on to our sale recommendations and understand the logic behind them. Our ETF SuperStore sheet includes a trend indicator to help decide the best time to sell. The trend indicator shows if the current market price is above or below today's average trading price. If the current price is higher, you'll see a green up arrow indicating the trend is up. If it's lower, a red down arrow appears indicating the trend is downward. If our target is achieved, the system will trigger a sale if the trend is downward. Today, I received a sale trigger for 2 stocks and sold them immediately. After selling ITC, the downtrend continued. The price fell further below 4%. This shows how effective our trend formula is. Let's move on to entering today's transactions into our purchase and sale history. As you can see in the screenshot, I've sold 2 stocks and also bought 2. It's crucial to keep our records updated for accurate tracking and analysis. Let's enter the data for the stocks purchased today. First, I'll enter the details of the 2 stocks purchased, including the buying price, quantity, and date. Now let us enter the sale data. You can see that I have done dynamic averaging for IPCollab. I have purchased 2 times this stock, and after second averaging today I am booking profit. So, I have to enter sale data next to the quantity. You know I use a formula to derive actual price after brokerage and tax. This will vary on trading platform. Next, enter selling data of ITC. You can see that how much I have booked profit in this to stock. So, as on date, profit booked is 6,554 rupees. Now, I will show you another interesting situation. On 12th June, system given sale trigger of Coal India. This trigger is given since price increased from our target price, but the trend become negative. If it continues, then price will further fall, so it is high time to sell this stock. While checking, I noticed that Z Entertainment Limited stock is already increased by 5.5%, which I purchased yesterday. Let us enter the stock details I sold first. End of the day, I purchased 2 stock and sold 2, including Z Entertainment Limited. Let us enter the data as per the trading screenshot. Now sale entry. You can observe that we have booked profit within 1 day. So, end of the day, our total profit is 7,167 rupees, and our annualized income is 50% on the invested amount. ETF SuperStore is easy to operate. Dynamic averaging, 20 EMA calculation and trend analysis makes thing unique. If you want this Google Sheet, then check link in the description.
So, stay tuned. And let's keep growing together in this wild world of investing. Until next time, happy trading!